Waxes from Waxes Tutorial. It's just started now, and now I'm doing my first tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a really basic shiny web 2.0 text. So let's just start off by starting Photoshop. So, well, this is really basic and everyone can just do it. So you click on File and New, or simply press Control and N. So I'm gonna name this file Shiny Text. Okay, I'm gonna use present custom because I'm using my own site, and width is 500, height 100, resolution that you don't have to care about it now. It's 300.1 and color mode RGB and background contents white. So you click OK and it should look like this. Why do I got to check one here? Okay, let me delete it. Okay, you double click the background layer and name it to layer layer 0, sorry. Color none, mode normal, and opacity 100. Okay, that's just quite annoying because I will want to create a new layer now. Okay. I'm gonna click this icon to create a new layer and name it text. I rename it by double clicking, or is here a rename option? I don't know. I just double click it, double click the name. So I got my text tool. I use the font Veranda, regular, 30 pixels and strong. So I type in here Waxes. Wait, that's invisible. What the fuck? Okay, there you go. My fault. Okay, really simple, isn't it? And then we're gonna create another new layer and set our foreground color to white. Yeah. Okay. Get out the pen tool and do something like this. You make sure this line which you're dragging is just quite straight, and then you create this shit. So you're nearly done now, and this is really simple. Everyone can do it. And you might think now, what the fuck? That isn't shiny. That's just disappearing the text or something. So you double click this shape 1 layer and drag out the opacity. Yeah. Okay, so you get a really nice shiny text. You can do that on whatever you want. Yeah, okay. It was the first thing I wanted to show you. The other thing is I want to show you is doing that by a gradient. I'm gonna call it gradient text and make it again that size. Can name that layer 0 and use the text tool and type again Waxes. Or you can type whatever you want. Actually, that is not the point. So, and you double click this Waxes layer and click on gradient overlay. Okay, you hit that thing, and then you hit this. So you get this blend mode, this opacity, gradient, style, angel, and scale. So you just double click this white to black, or it's set from your foreground and background color. So you click this first one and create a new one. So I'd show you what we're going to do. I actually got it here saved. This is what we're going to do. It looks nice and you can use it for everything. So we click on back on this and create another of this, right? And set the location to 50 and drag this simply to here. Okay, and that looks quite ugly, so you click that, and the color you set it to quite that here. So that's not a center, so I'm going to set this back a bit. Okay, that is really simple. You can do really much stuff with it. Maybe you can add this and yeah, you can add a stroke and do it 1 pixel and do it black. You can do really nice stuff with it. No? Okay. And the third thing I'm going to show you is how to make a reflection. You actually seen this on my avatar, which I got here, documents and untitled 1. I don't know why you call it like this. With Windows color. So you know that V there is just like in a mirror, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Right, here you can see better. Oh, and I'm going to show you how to make that. So we're gonna create a new file, which I'm gonna just do 500 by 500. That's quite big, but just for demonstration. So again, double click the background layer and make layer 0. So we create a new layer and delete layer 0. And yeah, yes. So we got this thing here in the background. So that means that the background is invisible. So we can use it for web stuff, so it shows the background. So and then I'm going to take up my text tool and type a big this V is, I don't know, my English is crappy, I'm German by the way. Okay, that looks good. And I'm just gonna right click and duplicate layer and just click OK, and there we go. And then you go to edit, transform, and then flip vertical. So that's just flip vertical, and then you use this, how to call it, move tool. It's on V. Okay, go like this. There we go. And the really simple thing you do is you set your foreground color to black. You can just do this by hitting D, which means default, and set your default colors, or you double click on, you click on this and set it to black. Yeah. And then you double click the V copy layer and the gradient overlay, and then you go on the drop down menu and select the second one. So you don't see anything, so we have to set something on the blending options, and we're just going to use this white thing. Wait, there we got it, and then we click back on gradient overlay and click on reverse, and so we got a really nice reflection, that's the word I was searching. Okay, there you go. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and I hope it helped you. Please comment the video and rate it.